and today we're going to show you how to make some aguachiles, teaching the new generations how to cook.
I don't want to struggle, so I bought my shrimps clean and peeled. We're going to use lemon juice to cook the shrimp. We're going to use about 2 cups of lemon juice. I'm going to cut and divide the jalapeños. We're going to be using 1 cucumber. Now add cilantro, 1 stick of celery, 3 jalapeños, and lastly 3 garlic cloves. Now add the 1.5 cup of lime juice. Now you add the 2 cups of lemon juice. Add some salt and some black pepper. And you mix it. Now you let it sit for 30 minutes. Once they turn pink, add your onions. Now you add your cucumbers. And now add the green sauce. Then you let it sit for 15 minutes.
Lily's becoming a good cook. This is delicious. Enjoy.